Okay, so let's look at these barrels here. The difference in them is that they are being done on starter locks. So this is not the first set. This is his hair in the locking process, but it's not totally locked. And because of that, we have to add one step on to when we do the barrels, which is this twisting more of the lock before it gets into the barrel. So you want to twist them down like condensed into the smallest uh, shape that they can be. And this will keep them tight inside of the barrels as time goes on. And it also allows the lock to go ahead and form uh, without bumps and lumps and the unevenness. This will give them some nice even ropes. So just keep in mind that when you're doing any style that is on locks that are not completely locked, you will have to usually twist it a little more before adding it into the style like I'm doing. I grab one, I twist it back down, and then I put it inside of my barrel. And notice that his scalp is not having any tension. There's no redness. The complexion that he is, if this was tight, there would be redness on the scalp, but we do not see any. And so that is also an indication that the hand placement is working that I'm using. So notice that my left hand is doing one thing, my right hand is doing something else. Also, my thumb is pressing. I'm not using tension to add the locks in. But yes, we want to make sure that we twist the starter locks down to the bottom to maintain a uniformity when they are locking so that they come out like perfect little ropes. Okay, guys, thanks. That's it for this lesson.